Very good morning. We have Dr. Vandana Singh, who's a leading pediatrician over here at Delhi, who's also a patient on IC, and we would like ma'am to give her comments since she's on Comfora, and how does she feel after taking Comfora?
Yeah, Comfora has helped me quite a bit. It was started for me about 3 months back after I had ablation of the Hunna's ulcers with electrocautery, and that controlled the severe symptoms to begin with, and then I was put on Comfora, and for the past 3 months I am without any pain, and the frequency has also reduced quite a bit. But of course, since the bladder capacity was told to be on the lower side, so it is not like an average normal person, but much better than what it was when I started with the treatment. So I think Comfora is pretty effective.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what was your frequency earlier before you could take Comfora? How many times did you urinate?
Yeah, it was very, very frequent because according to my treating doctor, I was one of the worst cases of IC he had seen.
Okay.
Towards the pre-treatment time, just before I had this treatment, I was like every half an hour I had to go, and I was in severe pain all the time. I was in discomfort. I could not sit, and running a OPD full-fledged was very difficult for me. Traveling was almost impossible. I had to gauge even while going to the local markets whether I should go or not go. But after that, I'm pretty comfortable. I'm going, attending conferences and visiting, and it's become very comfortable for me.
Okay.
And I was getting up several times in the night. I used to tell everybody I'm hardly sleeping, maybe 8, 9 times. Now I just get up about maybe 2 or 3 times.
Okay. And we would like you to share your experience with Cystotec, also which you're taking from Jill Bone's place.
Yeah. Actually, Cystoprotect I came to know through the net. And my husband and me, we used to go on the net and research for all the medicines. First we got a book, and then we read about it, then we saw the reviews regarding Cystoprotect, so we imported it from the US, and I took it for a good 6 months. Yes, it's a very good supportive treatment, but since I was already in such a bad shape, it did not probably relieve my symptoms completely. But then as an adjuvant therapy, initially also after I had a cystoscopy and laser ablation of the ulcers about 2 years back, and Almiron or Comfora as you call it was not available that time. So I took Cystoprotect, and it kept me going for quite a few months without these drugs that are now available. So now currently I'm not taking Cystoprotect because I'm taking Comfora, and I didn't want to mix the two. But yes, Cystoprotect is also very, very helpful because it does contain all the ingredients that are required for bladder lining and the musculature and healing and all that. So, but of course, main thing is diet also matters.
Ma'am, would you like to say something very supporting to other of your friends across the country, at least across India, who have this IC problem?
Definitely, definitely. Don't think you know everything. First is that. This is what I realized myself, because I was thinking, since I almost diagnosed the case myself on the net, and then I saw all the treatments available. I tried all the options, dietary options, even hormonal therapy, Cystoprotect, and all kinds of fat diets and all which are recommended on the net. And after the first laser ablation, when I relapsed and had severe pain, I just could not be functional. I thought there is nothing more left in the medical world to help me. And my doctor kept telling, "Aap aaye to sahi, we will find something, you should not be in the pain." And I said, what else will he try? There's nothing new, ek bari laser ablation ho gaya. And then finally I did go back, and then he did the whole procedure again. That took care of the severe pain, and then Comfora was started for me. And now when I look back, I said, I wish I had not wasted that last year and done the whole treatment last time. So don't ever give up. Your life comes back to you. Only have faith in your treating physicians, and there are options always available to help. So don't sit back to think that this disease does not have a treatment and this is the end of the treatment for me and there is nothing more. Research is going on, new products are coming, and be always in touch with your doctor and of course the IC network and all that. It's always helpful.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.